Now to give you a quick demo, you just walk in and the sensor will automatically detect that you're in the room. You can then sit down and take note there is a sensor in this area. So if I put my hand over, you hear that. It pre-moistens the bowl, and if you do have the foam, it'll add that in as well. You do your business, you can get up, walk away. It'll close the lid. You can see up top in the circle, it says UV, and it'll flush automatically. That's the flushing icon. And then it goes back to a UV cleaning. Additionally, there's a button at the bottom. If you press on it, it'll open the top lid here, or the second lid, just like that. And then you can use this standing up. When you're done, you can also manually flush the toilet with the button on the side here. Just press it. It'll close both lids. And once again, it'll flush. However, for the advanced features and controls, you have your smart remote to control everything you can do with the toilet. At first, it looks like there's a lot of buttons, but after a few minutes, it becomes very easy to use. And from this control, you can adjust the water temperature, seat temperature, dryer temperature, the water pressure, nozzle position, and select the different cleaning modes.